I'm really excited to be here in Sydney for what is an industry first and one close to my heart. This is the first time a fuel cell has been used in the Australian film industry.
We're working on a large tentpole budget production at the moment where we were able to utilise the GH2 for the first time. It was an Aussie first in film and TV to use the hydrogen generator.
We've got the EODEV here behind me, powering unit base and the production hub with reliable 24/7 sustainable power.
We were really fortunate to be at a location for roughly 2 to 3 weeks where we could bring in the GH2 and see its application for a unit base on a film set. I think it's saving us over 300 litres of diesel in a 24-hour window, which is huge savings. So it's wonderful to see that in action. The benefits have been incredible for its application in film. In film, we're always looking for ways to reduce our overall footprint, and obviously transport and travel and fuel, anything that accommodates a fuel reduction is a massive bonus. And you know, we really do have quite large power requirements, so to find something that meets the needs of that whilst also having an option to be net zero, especially when we're shooting in environments that are heritage listed or protected or natural environments, it's really important to start looking at these alternative power options. And we've found one and it's worked. It's been awesome to see its magic in action. I absolutely see it being used on sets because of its capabilities in terms of being silent and its capabilities for the power that's required for specifically like lights and charging batteries on set and all of that stuff. So it definitely has a place in film, and it's very exciting to usher it into that new space. Blue Diamond Machinery have been great to work with. They've been so accommodating throughout the whole process from beginning to sort of end with risk assessments, working with our requirements as well, particularly like we've been shooting in heritage listed locations. So just tying it all together really nicely for us. So they've been wonderful. So much assistance with everything.
This is just the beginning. The film industry is a perfect match for the GH2 with solid, stable, reliable power without noise or fumes. We're really grateful to everyone who gave us a shot here. If you're in an industry where our net zero solutions could help, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to get you moving.